In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build card buttons for one-click automations in Trello. Trello is a powerful tool for organizing tasks and managing projects. But did you know you can automate repetitive actions with just a single click? By creating custom card buttons, you can save time and streamline your workflow, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Whether you're new to Trello or looking to take your productivity to the next level, follow along as I guide you step by step through this simple process. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to www.trello.com. Once you're on the website, look at the top right corner of the page and click on Login. From there, enter your email address and password. If you prefer, you can also sign in using a trusted provider like Google or Microsoft by selecting one of those options. Once you're signed in, locate the board where you want to create your custom button. If you have multiple boards, take a moment to ensure you're selecting the correct one. Keep in mind, you need permission to create automations on this board, so double-check that you have the appropriate access before proceeding. Now that you're inside your selected board, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots. Go ahead and click on them to open the board menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Automation. This will bring you to the automation screen, where you can create and manage various automation tools. For this tutorial, we'll focus on card buttons. Click on Card Buttons, then select Create Button. Here's where the fun begins. Start by choosing an icon for your button. You'll see a variety of options, so pick one that visually represents the action your button will perform. Next, give your button a name. Be sure to keep it clear and action-oriented so anyone using the board will know exactly what the button does. By default, the Enabled by Default option is turned on. This ensures your button will be immediately available to use once you've set it up. If that's what you want, there's no need to change anything here. Additionally, there's an option called Close Card when action is performed. If you'd prefer to return to the board view automatically after running the button, turn this option on. Now it's time to add the actions you want your button to perform. For example, you might want the button to move a card to the top of a specific list. Select the actions that fit your needs, and make sure they're in the correct order if you're adding multiple steps. Once you've finished setting up your button, click Save to finalize your work. To make sure everything is working as expected, open one of the cards on your board. You should now see your new button under the Automations area. Click the button to test its functionality and confirm that it performs the actions you've assigned to it. If everything looks good, you're all set. If you need additional buttons for other tasks, simply repeat this process to create as many as you need. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to build custom card buttons for one-click automations in Trello. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.